Good morning, children. This is computer period, computer video, and the topic here we are going to take is audio, adding a record. To add a record, as it is shown on the screen, you have to click on the new option as it is displayed on the screen. You will click on the records group home tab, and then from there you will select new command. And then to save it, you have to click on the save button. Next is adding a field. To add a field, it is very important first to select the field. So as it is selected here, as the field is selected here, the field is selected here. Once you select the field, you can do many type of editing, many type of work you can do with the field. You can insert the field, you can delete the field, and you can make any type of editing in the field. Inserting, you can insert any row, any column. First you select the column or the field, and then you can insert any new column or field. You can delete any existing column or field, or you can do any type of editing in the column or the field. The method will remain same. As we very well know, these are the columns and these are rows. Columns are called fields and rows are called records. This we know very well. Okay, children. So to make any type of editing, inserting or deleting, it is important to select the record. After doing this much, method is also given here. Inserting, you can insert from here, and if you wish to delete, you can delete from here. And if you wish if you wish to edit option is given here. This is for editing. Okay, children. Next, if we move, another one is moving a field. As it is shown here, moving a field, here the column is on second number, and if you move it, it is now on the fourth number. Same process you have to follow. First you have to select the field as it is selected here, and then go to the place where you want to move it. Give right click and select move option. In computer, remember, there are various methods. This is one of the method I have given you. If you go through your book, the method is given like this. Anyhow, first you have to select and then do it. Next option I have explained you, to insert a row or to delete a row. Now whether to insert a row or to insert a column or to delete a row or to delete a column, method will remain same. You have to select it and then go with the process. Last option is sorting, as it is shown on the screen. Sorting, if it is number, the sorting will be in ascending or in descending order, and if column is character, then it will be from A to Z or from Z to A. Okay, children. Last one is how to open an existing document. Existing document means it should be there in your computer. It should be saved document, and when the document is saved in your computer, you can open it. You have to click on the open option, open menu. You have to click on the file menu and then select the open tab. Okay, children. So we finish this chapter. This chapter we finish here. That is chapter number 4. Exercise I'll give you in the next period. Thank you, children.